In my last video, we discussed several natural solutions available to fight thinning hair and boost new hair growth. We talked about saw palmetto, I don't take that one, zinc, copper, pumpkin seed oil, reishi mushrooms, and I take all of those. But there's another one which has a lot of potential, and I do take it, and that is MSM, or you've probably heard of it as sulfur. And if you're interested in healthy full hair and also healthy younger looking skin, you want to keep watching. First of all, what exactly is MSM? MSM, commonly known as organic sulfur, is a naturally occurring compound found in small amounts in plants, animals, and humans. It plays a crucial role in the health and maintenance of connective tissues, skin, joints, and hair, due to its involvement in the synthesis of essential proteins such as collagen and keratin. And we're going to talk a lot about those today. MSM is often consumed as a dietary supplement to support overall health, mainly to reduce inflammation, but overall to enhance physical well-being. And as we age, my God, I feel like I say this in every video. It's so sad. But it's true. As we age, our body's ability to produce collagen decreases, leading to visible signs of aging, which also include thinning hair. And sulfur, or MSM, is instrumental in enhancing collagen and keratin synthesis, which are two proteins that are fundamental to the health of our skin, hair, and also nails. One of the major reasons MSM has gained popularity and why I'm making a video about it is its impressive anti-aging effects. MSM boosts collagen and keratin production, right? Which helps in reducing fine lines and wrinkles and improving skin elasticity. It also fights inflammation and oxidative stress, both critical factors in aging. By regularly taking MSM, or by including it in your diet, many people report smoother, brighter, and younger looking skin and fuller hair. Collagen is the most abundant structural protein in the human body, providing elasticity and strength to the skin, but also our tendons, our cartilage, and our bones. MSM supplies the sulfur necessary for forming strong cross-links in these collagen fibers, significantly increasing their stability and resilience. Regular supplementation of MSM ensures a consistent availability of sulfur, which helps optimize collagen production and promotes a firmer, smoother, and more youthful looking skin. Keratin, the protein primarily responsible for hair, also relies heavily on sulfur-containing amino acids for its structure. MSM directly contributes to keratin formation by supplying bioavailable sulfur, which is essential for cysteine and methionine production, two amino acids vital for keratin's strength and durability. As part of the natural aging process, keratin production gradually diminishes, right? This decline occurs primarily because of the cells that are responsible for keratin synthesis, known as, experience reduced activity and cellular turnover as we age. So as a consequence, our hair becomes thinner, and the protective outer layers of the skin become more vulnerable to damage. Several internal biological factors influence declining keratin production. Hormonal changes, for one, particularly reductions in growth hormone, but also estrogen and testosterone, significantly impact the health and productivity of keratinocytes. Additionally, age-related decreases in circulation mean fewer nutrients and less oxygen reach the hair follicles and skin tissues, hindering keratin synthesis and the overall tissue regeneration. Increased oxidative stress and chronic inflammation, common in aging bodies, further impair the functionality of cells responsible for maintaining robust keratin levels. Regular MSM supplementation ensures that follicles have a consistent and abundant supply of sulfur, directly improving hair fiber integrity and also promoting healthier hair growth from the root upwards. Another significant way that MSM can help fight hair loss is by increasing scalp circulation. Improved circulation provides hair follicles with more oxygen and essential nutrients, right? Promoting a just healthier environment for our hair to grow. And as follicles receive better nourishment, the hair growth cycle can be optimized, which reduces the dormant phase and encourages new hair growth. Before we talk about specific foods that you can eat, which will supply a significant amount of organic sulfur compounds, and also whether you might want to choose supplements instead, I want to share some exciting news with you. Because a full head of hair is something that I care a lot about, I have launched my own hair growth serum, and I believe it rises above the other popular serums out there. How's that, you might ask? Well, my hair growth boost serum contains an award-winning ingredient, and that is Densidol, which is made from microalgae. The serum additionally incorporates several potent ingredients without added alcohol or fragrance. A bit more about Densidol. Densidol, developed by a company called Algactive, has proven effects in enhancing hair density and reducing hair loss. A 5-month clinical study was conducted to evaluate the efficacy of Algactive's Densidol. The trial focused on its effects on hair loss, hair density, gray hair reduction, amazing, and scalp health. Key findings of that study were a 25.9% increase in hairs in the anagen or growth phase, and an 11.43 increase in overall hair density, demonstrating the product's ability to promote hair growth. So this shows a 4-fold increase in hair density compared to EGF, or epidermal growth factor, and a 2-fold increase compared to minoxidil. Volunteers also experienced a significant reduction in gray hair with visible improvements in natural hair color. So scalp hydration improved by 26.7%, enhancing overall scalp health. Densidol combines extracts from 2 microalgae species, spirulina and chlorella. Spirulina provides phycocyanin, which is a blue pigment that activates the NRF2 pathway, enhancing the hair's antioxidant defenses and protecting against oxidative stress. Chlorella offers xanthophylls, which are pigments that inhibit cortisol levels and boost melatonin activity, countering the harmful effects of stress on hair follicles and promoting cellular repair. The serum also contains the active Bicapil complex. Bicapil is linked to improved follicle anchorage and reduced hair loss. But of course, the serum also contains rosemary oil, which is a true superstar when it comes to boosting circulation to the scalp. Most rosemary serums that I've tried in the past are very oily, and this one really isn't. The texture is very light, and you don't have to wash your hair twice, like I had to after trying some of these serums. Next, the serum has ginger. Ginger contains active compounds like gingerol and gingiberine, which stimulate blood flow to the scalp. Improved circulation ensures that hair follicles receive more oxygen and nutrients, promoting healthier and faster hair growth. Licorice root extract is another key player. It soothes the scalp and reduces buildup, creating the perfect environment for your hair to grow. And last, to give your hair and scalp that extra boost, we've added vitamin C and vitamin A. These antioxidants help fight free radicals and support collagen production, which, as we know, is essential for healthy, resilient hair. So click on the link in the description box to order a bottle or to find out more. All right, back to MSM. Are you eating broccoli, cauliflower, and cabbage regularly? Then you might be getting enough sulfur. But many of us don't, especially when traveling. It's hard. So let's talk about diet for a moment. MSM is naturally present in some foods. Among the richest natural food sources are cruciferous vegetables, broccoli, cauliflower, cabbage, and also Brussels sprouts, which contain significant amounts of organic sulfur compounds. Including these vegetables regularly in meals provides ample dietary MSM, which helps maintain optimal levels of sulfur in the body and supporting overall health and hair and skin. Animal-based proteins, especially eggs, poultry, fish, and meats, are also an excellent source of sulfur-rich amino acids like cysteine and methionine, which the body converts into MSM. These foods contribute substantially to dietary sulfur intake, aiding collagen and keratin synthesis, essential for our skin, hair, joints, and connective tissues. Dairy products as well, including milk, cheese, and yogurt. They provide additional sulfur-containing nutrients, further enhancing MSM availability through diet. But if, for whatever reason, you're not consuming a lot of animal products, supplementing might make sense. Unless you make sure you eat a lot of garlic, onions, leeks, asparagus, legumes, nuts, and seeds. Garlic and onion in particular contain high concentrations of sulfurous compounds. Incorporating these flavorful ingredients not only enriches our meals, right? I use a lot of onion and garlic, but it also boosts the body's natural supply of MSM. If you prefer the convenience supplements offer, let's talk about dosage. MSM is available in powder, capsule, and topical forms. The typical dose of a supplement ranges from 1,000 to 3,000 milligrams daily, and starting slowly and gradually increasing is always a good thing. And always consult your doctor before starting a new supplement, especially if you're pregnant, nursing, or taking medication. And that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.